Hi everyone, it's Max for Max and Shalana YouTube channel. You can use the tag max.shalana on your stories so we can see what you want to share with us. Feel free to share to your family, friends, and on Facebook as well. I wanted to let you know that the next video is coming beginning of next week. It's looking amazing, so get ready to see that. And another point, like a personal point, is that we really want to make a strong community. We really want to share everything we can with you, and we want you to share what you want with us as well, because this COVID-19 crisis is just splitting everyone, and it's getting hard to travel and it's getting hard to discover because of airplanes, but because we are scared as well. But internet is COVID-19 free, so why not using it? Take care and see you soon.